You asked, how to divide 8,754 by 5 using the long division method. 8 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Bring down 7, making 37. 37 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 37 minus 35 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 25 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 1750 remainder 4.